Hi everyone, it's Fabio here and welcome to this practice. In this class today we'll be using a block, so keep it handy and let's begin. As you can see from the title of this video, this is a detox practice, but also great to increase the energy level in your body. So we'll be adding a few twists and some nice stretches that are going to help you wake up the body and clear the mind. We are starting this class in a cross-legged position, taking a moment to feel the connection with the floor and the length of our back. Notice if there are parts of your body that feel tense or tight, and simply use your breath to find a little bit more ease. Now bring your attention to your breath. Let it flow very naturally. Let the air expand through your chest and your belly as you grow maybe a little bit taller. And maybe use the next breath to set an intention for this practice. When you feel ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky and wiggle your fingers. And as you exhale, take a little twist to your right. We have the support of the floor, the support of our hands, and we can deepen very safely into this pose, maybe looking over your shoulder, towards the wall behind you. Feel free to deepen a little bit more for the last breath, and then slowly, very gently come back to center. We'll be repeating to the other side, the same twist. Inhale, reach your arms up, wiggle your fingers, and then exhale to twist over to the left. And here we'll begin to notice if there's any difference between the right side and the left side. We keep our awareness inwards as we explore this twist without pushing too much. Slowly come back to center and release the pose. You can turn to the short side of the mat. Extend both legs in front of you for a moment. Then inhale and cross the left foot over to the right side. Reach the right arm up, big breath in, and exhale to twist, hooking the elbow on the outside of your thigh. Stay long in your back. Relax the shoulders a little bit more if possible. And feel free to explore on your own this twist. It's a very gentle massage for the internal organs. Slowly release the pose, hug your left knee and relax all the way forward. Drop your head, relax your shoulders and enjoy this couple of breaths here. It's a great way to relax also the hips. Slowly release, bring both hands on the floor, switch the leg that is crossed, and we'll reach up with the left arm looking up. Then exhale, hook the elbow on the outside of your knee and twist. Make sure you're not holding your breath so that our muscles are getting enough oxygen and they can release in a much healthier way. Take another breath in and then exhale to release the pose. Hug the front knee and relax your energy forward. The head is heavy, the shoulders are heavy. There's no right or wrong here, just follow what feels good for you. When you're following breath in, we'll be releasing the pose. You can cross your legs and roll forward to come to a plank position, one foot at a time. Look forward and exhale for downward dog. Feel your foundation nice and strong. And if you'd like, you can walk it out on the spot, bending one knee and then the other to really warm up the legs and loosen up your hamstrings. Take as many breaths as you'd like in this one, and when you feel ready, you can hold it still just for another breath or two. Relax into it, let go of any distraction of the mind. And inhale, slowly roll forward into plank and exhale down, chaturanga. Inhale, arching the back, upward dog or cobra, and exhale one more time into downward dog. Hold it still for another moment or two, pressing into the floor with your hands. Then exhale, bend both knees, look forward, and take two big steps towards the front of your mat. Inhale to flat back and exhale to fold a little bit deeper. If this is too intense for you, you can have a generous bend in your knees. Let's go for a deeper breath in through the nose and exhale. Then on the next in-breath, we'll be sitting in chair pose, reaching up with the arms. The thighs are squeezing together. We'll take another breath in and then we'll twist to the right side, hooking the elbow on the outside of your thigh. Let's breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. Feeling that nice twist. Awesome way to detox the body. Inhale, reach your arms back in the diagonal and exhale to twist to your left. And definitely by this point you should feel it in your legs, at least I do. Lengthen your back a little bit more if possible. Then inhale, reach your arms one more time in the regular chair pose and exhale to fold forward. Go ahead and step your right foot back in a runner's lounge pose. And once you have that strong foundation in your legs, then you can twist to the left. Use your hand for support at the beginning, then extend it up if everything feels alright. We'll be taking a full breath in and a full breath out. At the end of your exhalation, you can release the pose. And here is where the block comes handy, so bring it in on the inside of your foot, place your hand on the block on the height that you prefer, and twist once again, but stretch both legs this time. This is definitely way more intense, so make sure that you're really listening to your body. At the end of your following exhalation, you can slowly release. So we'll come back into our runner's lounge, move the block, and take a big step back into plank. Exhale to lower chaturanga and inhale for up dog, taking a good flow. Exhale for downward dog so that we can reset. We did quite a few stretches on one side, so this pose may feel a little bit uneven right now, but that's totally normal. Exhale next, bend your knees, look forward and step at the front of your mat. Inhale to flat back and exhale to fold deep on your thighs. Once again, I want to remind you that if you need a generous bend in your knees, you can definitely do that. Go ahead and relax your spine a little bit more. Take a final breath in and exhale deeply. We'll be sitting one more time into chair pose, Utkatasana. Remember to keep your thighs together, your knees aligned on top of your toes. Then exhale and twist to your left, maybe going a little bit deeper in this second round. Stay strong, stay focused. Let's go back to center, inhale and exhale to transition to the other side, to your right. This is a very active pose, so embrace it. We only have one more breath to go. Reach your arms forward and exhale to fold. Try to stretch your legs a little bit more than before and step back with your left foot. We're setting up here for our runner's lounge. So once you have that foundation, then you can start twisting to the right. And again, I'm using the hand as support at the beginning, then I'm extending it up. We'll take at least a full breath in and a full breath out before releasing. Move with control and go ahead, grab your block. Our friend today will place it on the inside of the foot and take your revolved triangle pose. It's a twist with both legs extended. Also, in this case, listen to your body. Make sure you don't push it too far. We'll go for a final breath in. Exhale and release, always with control. Move the block out of your way and let's go for a nice flow. So you can step back into plank, exhale down chaturanga, inhale for upward dog. Open your chest, relax the shoulders and exhale to downward dog. This is our final downward dog of the practice today. So give yourself some time to explore this pose. You can shake your head to relax the neck. You can still walk it out on the spot if that's something that you like. You can try to stretch the legs a little bit more for the last breath. And exhale and slowly meet me down on the mat into child's pose. So we'll be sitting on our heels, we'll bring the arms beside us, and we'll lower the forehead down on the floor. As the breath flows, you can relax a little bit deeper into the floor. Relax your hips, your back. Let your shoulder blades slide away from each other. Very slowly, we'll be now adjusting the hands close to the knees to roll up to a seated position. Inhale to reach the arms up, wiggle your fingers to bring the energy there. And exhale to join the hands at the heart for prayer position. Take a moment here to notice how your energy has changed during this short and sweet practice today. You may feel a bit more energized, a bit more ready to face your day. And maybe also your mind feels more awake and ready. I want to take this opportunity to thank you so much for this practice. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to this channel and also sign up to my newsletter to receive more classes like this one. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Namaste.